In this video, let us discuss about the induction of drones requires capital investment by farmers. So the major which adds cost are going to be imagery, resolution, softwares, the sprayers which are used, and detecting the NDVI, chlorophyll, and scouting. So generally, the farm drones cost around 2,000 to 60,000 US dollars, and the cost is involved more in resolution of camera when taking the images and on the remote control equipments. It also depends upon the size of the drones which is used, and the farm activities which are done mainly is going to be the crop monitoring and what are the diseases which is affecting the crops are surveyed here, and the last one is going to be the detection and mapping of the soil erosion. So the cost of drones and their usage in agriculture farm is going to be based on the market, and for simple it is going to be 500 US dollars, and when it is going to be the complex models it is going to be $100 to $120,000, and it the cost is based on the size, the flight endurance, and the durability of the drones. And the drone technology has actually got large number of investors. And one such example is going to be the Raptor maps. So this Raptor map drones are used for dealing with the mapping the zones, and it was actually preferred and awarded to a startup, which is going to be $100,000 US dollars, and these drones are actually used best for the crop surveillance. So the crop growth, insect disease, damage due to storms, weather, whatever may be the diseases and the weather conditions can be forecasted with the help of drones, though the cost is more. A small lightweight drone such as Sky Hunter, it is actually going to be 2,000 US dollars, and this can cover 150 acre in less than 10 minutes. And the drone actually reduces the cost of labor, which is included for spraying pesticides and the surveillance of the farm.